Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to review my kids on how to read Consonant Blend BR. I hope you would love to watch the full video in order for you to learn on how to teach kids reading English. Good morning guys. Please subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to like, comment, and share.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. In today's vlog, how to share you reading to English. And nagbihar, andito si Nanay Pala.
What? Why do I need? In today's vlog guys, we will review Shasha on how to read Initial Consonant Blend BR, okay? And now, we will start reviewing, okay? Ate, how do we read this?
Brr.
Okay, very good. And how do we read this?
Bread.
Breeze. Breeze.
Patingin yung breeze mo.
Hindi breeze. You know, that's not a bread. This is a breeze. Yung ano yan, anak, yung tubig-tubig yun sa ano, dahon. That's a breeze. Okay? Next. How do you read this? Bread.
Bread.
Very good. This one. Brother.
Brother, meron akong...
Please stop moving the chair. Please stop moving the chair. Concentrate on what we're reading.
Broccoli.
Read. Bro.
Broccoli.
Very good.
Hindi ko nakakain.
Sarap ng broccoli. No, huwag kang ganyan. Kasi we're formally vlogging, okay? This one.
Baby vegetables.
Opo. How do we read this?
Ay, hindi ito.
How do we read this?
Blink.
Brie?
Blink.
Bring. Very good. Very good, Shasha, huh? You're doing great. And this one? This one? Brew. Brush.
Brush your teeth.
Yeah, that's brushing your teeth. Okay. This one? Brie. Brie.
Brief.
Bride. How do we read this, ate?
Bride.
Okay, sa wedding, during wedding, you know wedding, right? Alam mo yung wedding, anak? Ang babae dun, ang tawag is bride.
I know.
Yan, dun sa picture, si mama dyan ang bride, okay? Si tatay, we call tatay as groom, okay?
Naring malisin, ang ganda mo na yun.
Thank you.
Ang ganda mo namin nasa dyan.
Opo, thank you.
Hindi, nasa...
Anak, let's concentrate here.
Nasaan ako dyan?
Wala pa, hindi ka pa baby noon.
Nasa marami ako.
Opo, nasa ano ka pa? Ito.
Brief.
Very good, brief. Very good yan guys si ate ko. Kasi this is a form of preview for her. The past few months, I think I have teach this to her already. Now, behave. This one. Yan, basa.
Bread.
Basa.
Bra.
Shh. Branch.
Ano yung branch na yun?
Branch of a tree. You know a tree, okay? It has a tree. A branch of a tree. Di ba yung mga dahon? Yun.
Ikaw na magsalita.
Okay. Okay, that's a branch, okay? This one. Ito. Basa. Behave, ate. Bright. How do we read this?
Ay, yung bright na yun.
Matalinong bata. Bright. Shasha is a bright student, okay? You are a bright child, okay? Okay, ate Shasha. This one. Yan. Brave.
Ano yung brave?
Matapang. Like a soldier who are fighting in a war. They are a brave soldier. Okay? Okay, come here. Let's read. Please read, okay? Basa. Like.
Ay, ako. Ulit. Number one.
Like.
Ay, ulit.
Okay, number one.
I like to eat Bread.
Very good. Tingnan nyo guys, very good na si ate.
Bread.
Yes, we like bread. It's delicious, okay? Number 2.
Wait lang.
Number 2, go there. Number 2, go there.
Hindi ko alam.
Number 2.
Please.
Please.
Get.
Bro. Brush.
Your. Wait. Please. You.
Brush.
Wait.
Papagod na ako ha.
Please. Brush your teeth.
Very good. Ito
Ano
naman.
yung brush your teeth, nanay?
For your teeth to become clean, okay? Oh, yeah. Okay. Ito na, number 3. Basa, number 3. Super.
Hero is vegetable.
Brave. Diba? Brave sila. Nakikipaglaban sila.
Please.
Ayusin mo yung upo mo, anak. Ayusin mo. Anak, mag-aaway tayo. Ayusin mo. Okay.
Uwi na mo dito.
Ito naman.
Prepare.
Please. Breathe.
Your pen.
Very good. Dalhin mo daw yung pen. Okay, ito. Ito. Yung ito, kagaya ito, bright.
Bright. Parang ko to
Stars.
Ano sabi?
Bright are the stars. Anak, yung bright pwede mo din gamitin sa maliwanag. Like a light. It's bright, okay? Ang stars daw, anak, maliwanag, okay? Tama po. Okay, ate, look at this. Okay, number 6. Last but not the least.
Hindi pa. Tapos
Okay.
na tayo dito.
Opo, ito number 6. Bird. Is. Chase. Branch. Of that tree. Okay, yung bird daw, anak, doon sila tumatayo. Okay? Doon sila tumatayo sa puno. Sa sanga ng puno. Opo. Nanak.
Nanay, ba't wala silang kamay mga birds? May pakpok sila.
Hindi ko alam. Ganun sila din sa ni Jesus. Oh. Anak. Yung branch, anak, sa Tagalog, sanga. Anong Tagalog ng branch? Ha? Sanga. Sanga ng puno, okay? Ate Shasha, you did a good job. Congratulations and thank you for watching. And please say thank you to guys and please request subscription. Sige na, sabi na. Shama, what are you doing? Talk to guys na. Sabihin mo na mag-subscribe sa channel mo.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Sabihin mo, doon ka sa malayo. Hindi ka naman nila nakikita pag ganyan ka eh. Dito upo ka ulit doon para makita ka. Dito upo ka doon, anak. Umupo ka nga dyan eh. Say thank you for watching. Dari na say thank you for watching. Para next time hindi ka na nila papanoorin pag hindi ka nagiging very good. Thank you for watching, guys. Good morning. Please subscribe. Doon ka. Hindi ka nila nakikita pag ganyan ka, anak. Hindi ka nakikita. Ganyan ka sa layo. Ganyan. Please subscribe.
Walang dito, oh.
Please subscribe.